How to create your own memory in photos on iPhone or iPad. First step is that you want to open Photos on your phone. Here you want to open an album that you want to create your own memory of. You want to tap on the three dots on the top right corner, then tap on Play Memory Video. After you do that, your phone will create memory. To edit it, you just want to tap on the screen and then you can add music of your choice by tapping on the music with the plus sign. Here you can select any of the music of your preference, and then after you're done, you want to tap on Done, which is on the top right corner. You can also select Memories Looks by tapping on the three circle on the bottom right corner. Then select the looks of your preference and then tap on Done, which is on the top right corner again. Now to export it to your photos, you want to tap on the arrow facing upwards, which is on the top right corner. As you do that, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you want to tap on Save Video, which is on the third option. You can also manage other settings by tapping on the three dots. For example, add to favorite, manage photos, edit title, airplay, and custom. And that is how you can create your own memory in photos on iPhone or iPad. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.